What's going on, everybody? I hope you're having an amazing day today. Cajun style shrimp and grits is on your menu today. I am going to be showing you how to make this delicious dish for you and your family. So before we even get started, click the subscription button down below if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy shrimp and grits, and don't forget to click the bell icon down below for more future videos just like this. And let's get started. We're going to start things off with your instant grits that you can find at your local grocery stores. Here I'm making double the serving size of 6 because you know sharing is caring. So make the amount that you like according to the servings in the back of the label. Next you're going to add 1 tablespoon of butter. We're going to crack some pink Himalayan salt. Regular salt will do just fine. Then add black pepper and paprika. Then set it to the side. Next up we have onions, sweet peppers, garlic, shrimp, the start of the dish, and crab meat. Cook outside while my kids play. What more can I ask for? Alright guys, so we just got done making shrimp and grits Cajun style. So take a look at my plate. Ooh, that looks so good. Try not to tilt it so much because I don't want to spill it. Alright, so Nala has her bowl right here. Okay, and I got mine. And we're going to try it. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I'm going to hold it up. Try my best to hold it up. Oh, it's hot. It's very hot. Alright, here we go.
Mmm.
Is it good?
That's amazing.
Is it? I want to try it too. Hold up. Oh my god. That's good. That's so good. It's like a hint of spice. Little spice. Cajun spice.
It reminds me of a lobster boil.
Mm-hmm. It does. My was it crawfish boil?
Mm-hmm.
That's banging. It's basically the same flavor right here. Get some jalapeno. Look at that. Eee.
And the limey gives it the perfect touch.
It does. That lime gives it like a refreshing kick. So good. This is delicious. Shrimp and grits my way. Gotta have shrimp. That's good. That's so good.
This is the best shrimp and grits I've ever had.
Is it? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. This is good. You guys got to try this recipe at home. It's so good. I highly recommend it. You're going to love it. Trust me. I can't see that. Let me move that. There we go. The crab meat. Imitation crab meat. We got to settle for crab meat because it's expensive, man. Come on. Cooking on a budget. Let's go. I don't know about you, Nala, but I am enjoying this.
I love it.
Me too. The jalapeno, whew, it is spicy. Fresh jalapeno that we pickled. Do that on top. Oh, I'm starting to sweat. I think. Feel the heat.
Hot?
Hot, yeah. The grits are hot. Look at that. I'm about to pig out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy this video, guys. Come on. I love all these support. Comments and anything. Let us know, what do you want me to cook next? I can try my best to cook it my way. So be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. We are at 150 subscribers. You believe that?
That's crazy.
I'm happy. Thank you so much, all you guys. I appreciate the love. Keep them coming. More videos like this to look forward to. Catch you guys next time. Share this video. Don't forget. I greatly appreciate everything. Till next time. Bye, guys. I'll get back to my food.